Hello everyone, welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video we're going to take a look at an introduction to Amazon AWS. AWS is one of the most popular cloud computing platforms in the world. In this video, we will look at some of the basics of cloud computing and AWS. We will also look at some of the services they offer. Let's get started. Cloud computing transforms physical hardware into on-demand IT resources. It includes servers, databases, storage, and software. AWS, a leading cloud service provider, helps businesses reduce costs, increase innovation, and operate efficiently. Cloud computing delivers various services over the internet, including storage, databases, and AI. It allows access from anywhere and offers on-demand self-service, enabling users to provision resources without human interaction and quickly adjust environments. Cloud services offer broad network access, allowing users to connect from any device with internet. This includes laptops, tablets, and smartphones, making cloud computing universally accessible and convenient. Cloud providers like AWS pool their computing resources to serve multiple customers. They dynamically allocate resources as needed, often using a multi-tenant model. This allows them to efficiently serve a large number of clients. Rapid elasticity in cloud computing allows businesses to scale quickly, adjusting resource usage in real time to meet demand. This ensures cost efficiency by paying only for what is needed, and prevents system crashes during high traffic periods, ensuring continuous operation. Cloud computing operates on a pay-as-you-go pricing model, charging users based on their consumption. This model applies to storage, data transfer, and computing power, promoting efficiency and helping companies optimize their IT spending. Amazon Web Services, AWS, is a leading cloud platform offering over 200 services globally. Launched in 2006, AWS is known for its scalability, cost-effectiveness, and wide range of solutions for businesses of all sizes. Compute services allow users to run applications, websites, or services on virtual servers, containers, and serverless computing. Examples include EC2, ECS, EKS, and Lambda. AWS offers scalable storage solutions including Amazon S3 for object storage, Amazon EBS for persistent block storage, and Amazon Glacier for long-term data archiving. AWS offers managed database services including Amazon RDS for relational data, Amazon DynamoDB for NoSQL, and Amazon Redshift for data warehousing. AWS offers managed database services including Amazon RDS for relational data, Amazon DynamoDB for NoSQL, and Amazon Redshift for data warehousing. AWS offers Amazon SageMaker for building, training, and deploying machine learning models, and Amazon Rekognition for image and video analysis. Cloud computing includes models like Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. AWS offers IaaS with services like EC2, providing virtual machines, storage, and networking. Users manage the operating systems, applications, and databases. AWS's PaaS model manages infrastructure, including servers and storage, allowing users to focus on application development and deployment. AWS Elastic Beanstalk simplifies web application deployment by handling the infrastructure. Software as a Service (SaaS) provides ready-to-use software hosted in the cloud. Users don't manage the infrastructure or platform. Examples include Salesforce and Microsoft 365, available through AWS Marketplace. AWS Cloud Services offer scalability and flexibility. They can automatically scale resources based on demand, adding servers during traffic surges and scaling down when demand decreases. This elasticity helps businesses save money by avoiding the cost of unused resources. AWS offers cost savings through its pay-as-you-go pricing model, eliminating large upfront investments. Additionally, reserved instances allow businesses to save costs by committing to long-term usage. AWS ensures reliability and performance by operating multiple data centers in distinct regions. These availability zones allow businesses to deploy applications across various locations, reducing the risk of downtime or outages. AWS has a global reach with availability in over 30 geographic regions and hundreds of data centers, ensuring low latency and high performance for customers worldwide. AWS provides a secure environment with various security services like encryption and threat detection. It complies with industry standards such as HIPAA, GDPR, and SOC 2, ensuring businesses meet regulatory requirements. AWS is leading in cloud computing innovation, expanding services in AI, ML, data analytics, and IoT. With AWS Outposts and local zones, it addresses hybrid cloud and low latency needs. AWS is also focusing on edge computing, quantum computing, and sustainability for future enterprise needs. AWS Cloud Computing transforms business operations by providing scalable, secure, and cost-effective services. It caters to startups, large enterprises, and individuals, allowing them to focus on innovation and growth with a reliable global platform. Well, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you would like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. I'll see you in another video soon.